What's up, everyone, and welcome to Trial and Verdict TV. Today, we're stepping into Judge Boyd's courtroom as she questions the agreement due to the defendant not reporting, in addition to not following the stipulations of the court.
And Celestino Garcia.
Over to the front. For the mic. Then, there you go.
And state on this one, are you all going to be proceeding on the First Amendment motion or no?
Question, Your Honor. Yes.
All right, court is calling 2023 CR 2522, State of Texas versus Celestino Garcia. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state defense?
Robert Ramirez for Mr. Garcia.
And are you Mr. Garcia?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the document entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and First Amendment Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney?
Yes.
Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Celestino Silly Garcia who's placed on deferred adjudication in 2023 CR 2522 for the offense of unauthorized use of a vehicle on May 11, 2023 for a term of 3 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
State?
In Bear County, Texas, the defendant Celestino Sealy Garcia did then and there failed to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of May and June 2024 in violation of condition number 4.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
State?
State waives the remaining violation allegations, Your Honor.
Any objection?
No, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 4, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, and sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine? Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 2?
Number 4, Your Honor.
I'm sorry, number 4.
Yes.
All right, the court will find violation of condition number 4 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
Yes, Your Honor, deny the motion, continue probation, amend for the following. Extend 6 months, GPS tracking for 6 months, simply reporting for 30 days, and MRT, moral recognition therapy. And the state will take into consideration clause number 2024 PF 18478, and one last thing, no contact with Palacia apartment homes.
All right, so 2024 PF 147.
18478.
Okay, why should I follow this agreement? I mean, he's not reporting. That's like one of the easiest things to do, to report. Not only is he not reporting, but he picked up a new offense. I don't understand. What's so hard about reporting?
Your Honor, he got off the rails a little bit with his support system. He was tied with a church group, a men's church group that helped him along the way. But he's trying to do as much as he can for himself on his own. And he tried to find a place to live. He was at this apartment complex.
No, but he was supposed to reside at Victory Gospel Chapel. That's where he wanted to reside. That's where I ordered him to reside. So why is he leaving a place that I told him that's where he's to reside?
I don't know.
Did anybody do a trial court certification of defendant's rights to appeal?
No, Your Honor, I didn't.
All right.
Look at this, says that. So you'll have a right to appeal. If the court does not follow your agreement. Okay. If the court does follow, then you'd have to get the court's permission. to appeal. Okay. Yeah, right. Sure.
Okay, so for me to sign these, I need you to attach the trial court certification to it, because I don't know if he granted them the right to appeal or not. So if you attach the trial court certifications, then I'll sign it. All right, so why are you not living where I told you to live?
To be
You want to
honest,
raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
yes, ma'am.
You can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Celestino Celie Garcia.
Why are you not living at the Victory Gospel Chapel?
Around that time, I had gotten to an altercation with a brother, and I had got released from the program.
All right, and did you call probation and tell them that?
Yes, he knew that I was moved.
No. My question is, did you call probation and tell them, I've had an altercation at the residence that the judge told me to live? Did you call them and tell them that?
No, I didn't tell him that I had an altercation.
No, you just left.
Whenever I left him, I had probation the next week, and then I told him whenever I got there.
But you just pled to not reporting.
No, I reported that time, but then after that, the last time that I left the church, that's when I stopped going after I left the church.
Okay. All right, the court is finding violation of condition number 4 true, taking in consideration 2024 PF 18478. The court is going to grant the motion. Court will find you guilty, revoke. Does anybody want to talk about time?
I would like to, Your Honor.
Yes.
This time. This time, and not previous time. About 30 days. Your Honor, we'd asked to, on the court's discretion to, under section 1244 of the Texas Penal Code, to sentence him to no more than 1 year in the Bexar County Jail. He's going to have a felony conviction, Your Honor. He has, and he's got a lot going for him to go to, if he goes to state jail, that's going to be, day to day. At least he'll have a sanction. He'll have the conviction, and then when he gets out, and I ask you that you give him no more than 6 months, Your Honor.
All right, state. He's asking that his client be sentenced under 1244.
I don't know anything about the circumstances of the offense, Your Honor, so I'm not really in a position to intelligently state what amount of time should or should not be considered.
All right, do you want to familiarize yourself with the steps?
If the court will allow me, I would love to, Your Honor.
All right, you may proceed. And just have a seat in the box and we'll get back with your case.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, we're back on the record in 2023 CR 2522, State versus Celestino Garcia. Where we left off, defense was requesting that his client be sentenced under 1244. State, do you have any objections?
No, Your Honor.
All right. Are you asking me to sentence you under 1244?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I'll sentence him under 1244, but it'll be to a year.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, are you waiving your right to appeal?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, the court will sentence you to 1 year in the Bexar County Jail under 1244. and give you credit for any time served. And as previously stated, the court has taken in consideration 2024 PF 18478. Going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
No.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
No.
Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
No.
All right, we can go off the record. Whatever drug issues you have, if you don't take care of those, one or two things are going to end up happening. One, you're going to lose all your brain cells because that's what drugs do. Two, somebody's going to find a body on the side of the road or in a field, and somebody's going to have to come out and identify that body, and that's going to be you. Or three, you're going to end up spending a majority of your life in prison. You got to decide how you want your life to be. Do you understand?
Sure.
There are plenty of places here in San Antonio where they have free drug treatment for you. When you're released from the Bexar County Jail, if you can't find a place to go, if you come back here, I direct you to a free place, okay?
Sure.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.